Validating excellence. Streamline 4G and 5G network assurance with Metricell. In today's fast-paced and digital world, 4G and 5G network performance and reliability are under more pressure than ever. As RANs grow more complex, mobile network operators must ensure that their network builds meet planning and operational expectations. The deployment of 4G and 5G networks involves juggling complex technical nuances. From multiple carriers and frequency bands to the integration of MIMO and dynamic spectrum sharing. This complexity intensifies with the deployment of small cells, making traditional network validation methods insufficient. This transition from planned 4G and 5G networks to physical deployment can introduce a range of unforeseen challenges, such as crossed feeders, antenna misalignments, and overlapping spectrum. These can significantly hinder network performance, and Metricell tackles these hurdles head-on. Metricell's validation goes beyond basic checks and incorporates complex data measurements, providing a comprehensive overview of network performance. Our cloud-based GIS intuitively compares measured versus planned data, easily identifying issues with missing absolute radio frequency channel numbers and misaligned antennas. Metricell stands as a prominent partner in addressing these challenges. Our suite of tools is specifically designed to meet these challenges and empower mobile network operators. Partner with Metricell and unlock the peak performance your subscribers deserve. Contact us now and find out more at sales@metricell.com.